Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to Valrine's Home and Gardens. Now in this video, I will be showing you how to make a loop that you can use for your buttons instead of making buttonholes. So for my thread, I have doubled it 2 times. I doubled it, then I strung the needle, and then I doubled it again before I knotted at the end because I want it to be relatively thick so it's easier to work with. What I'll do next is locate where the loop will be, and then I'll just use the pencil to put a little dot right there. Now I can open this and start doing that loop. Then under, up, pull through, and now I have made a loop. And so what we're going to do is start plaiting the loop for the button. So let's do that again. And we keep doing this until it's long enough to loop around the button. Two, and then I'll just push the needle right through to end it off. Then push the needle through the fabric, there we have our loop. So what I'll do now is just knot it at the back here. There we go. That's our button, that's our loop. We just put our loop over the button. And there you have it. You can use these loops instead of buttonhole, especially when you don't have a sewing machine that makes buttonholes. But actually in another video, I will show you how to hand stitch a buttonhole. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please leave your comments below, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.